Hi friends! Today we're going to learn how to draw crayons or pastelli in Italian. Let's begin by drawing two lines and let's connect them with two shorter lines. Now we've made a rectangle. For the tip of the crayon, we're going to draw a triangle. And now for the body, one long line, another one, and then let's connect the two. And now let's draw an oval shape in the center of the crayon. Great! We can draw and color lots of different pictures with crayons. Let's draw another crayon. Can you remember the names of the shapes that we used? Well, first we drew the rectangle. Then we put the triangle on top. Then we made another long rectangle, and then again here, the oval shape in the middle. This is our third crayon. Sometimes I use crayons when I'm coloring my pictures. Did you know that crayons are made of wax? That's why they feel nice and smooth. Crayons don't ever need sharpening like pencils. No sharpening, no waiting. Just draw, draw, draw. Why don't you try mixing colors? Color something yellow, then color blue on top. And ta-da! You've made green. We finished drawing our crayons. Now let's outline the drawing with a thick black marker.
Hi friends, stick around after we color our crayons to count the crayons with me, Bo Bunny. Let's color.
Now let's color the first crayon. I'm coloring red, or in Italian we say rosso. I've speeded the coloring part of this video up, but you can pause it if you want and take your time. Again, here I'm doing the border lines, and then I'm coloring the centerpiece. Now the last part is the bottom part of the crayon. Go up and down carefully. Great! Okay, next color is orange, or as we say in Italian, arancione. Yet again, I'm doing the borders. I like this color orange. Can you think of something that's orange?
I'm holding something orange.
That's right, Bo Bunny. Carrots are orange.
Wiggle your fingers, tap your toes. Ready, get
The next
set,
color
here we
is
go.
yellow, or in
Let's
Italian we
play
say
a game, a happy
giallo.
sound.
Yellow is the third color
Up and
on the
jump
rainbow.
around.
And I like it. It's a nice bright
Jump
color. It
like
makes
a
me feel
bouncy
happy.
ball. Higher and higher,
Do you like
have a
using
ball.
yellow too?
Twirl, twirl, twirl in a circle round. Make a happy sound all over town.
The last crayon, I'm going to color green.
Can
Or in
you
Italian we
stop
say
like an
verde.
elephant? Can you flap
The three
your
colors I
arms
used for the
high?
crayons was
Can you
red,
reach for the big
orange,
sky?
yellow, and green. But you can use any color you like.
Jump, jump,
I'm using markers, but you can use paint or even crayons. That would be really cool.
higher, have a ball. Twirl, twirl, twirl.
And we finished!
Let's learn. Hi friends, let's count the crayons together. 1, uno. 2, due. 3, tre. 4, quattro. 5, cinque. And 6. Say, well done! Well friends, if you enjoyed watching this video, take a look at our How to Draw a School Bus. And please ask a grown-up to subscribe for more fun bilingual drawing videos for kids. We'll be back with a brand new video next week. See you then. Bye!